A big fear for a lot of my first-time home buyers is, can I get approved if I have collections or charge-offs on my credit? And the answer in most cases is yes. So medical bills we don't hold against you at all, although it does affect your credit score because it is a collection, and the collection agencies don't really have the ability to differentiate a collection or charge-off that's a medical label as opposed to a non-medical. So it still will affect your score, but it won't go against you as far as the mortgage qualification. So on collections and charge-offs, if it's non-medical, in most of our loan programs, we can have up to $2,000 in collections combined that we don't even have to worry about. We just kind of put it off to the side. If it's over that, we might need to pay that down, that outstanding balance on the collections to get it below $2,000. Now, if you have a repossession of an automobile, or if you have a collection from a housing place, so like an apartment building has put a collection against you, we might have to use 5% of that outstanding balance as a payment calculated into your debt to income ratio to just fulfill that. And then we don't have to actually hold that collection amount against you other than the payment amount. So if you can handle that 5% payment of the outstanding balance, then we can move forward without having to have that charge off or that collection repaid prior to the loan getting approved. So that's great news for you.